So now that we got the shoes all unlaced, we're going to take our detail sander and some 220 sand grip. If you do not have this tool, you would just use the sandpaper just the same way that I will be using this tool right here. And then after we get done using this, we're going to take a cotton swab as well as some acetone and just give the shoes a good scrub. But this is exactly how you would do it if you didn't have the tool. And you want to just take away the shiny part that's showing on the shoe. That's how you know you're taking off that protective coating. But when it comes to working on customer shoes, you want to have the fastest turnaround time. And with that being said, you want to use tools to help you get done with your prep, because prep is literally the longest part. I wouldn't say it's the longest part, but it's the most tedious part that you just be like, man, I want to be done prepping these shoes already. But it's just like building a house. You have to have a great foundation to have a great custom. Oh, I gotta put a mask on too as well, so none of these particles get in my nose.
You said your favorite one is
now that we got the shoes all taped up, now we're about to take our Louis V stencils and apply it all over the shoes. Okay, so now that I got those all sprayed up, we are about to remove the stencils. Alright, so I got the stencils off both of them, and these ones, it came out so clean. So then we're just gonna put our finisher over top of them just to make sure that they are scratch resistant. And they are done. We put the laces back in them.
I just wanna take another look at you so our eyes can finally meet. I just wanna take
If you wanna take them out, if you want to. Another one? Another one? Yeah, it's good? Hey. You said it's Romeo? Nice to meet you. That's my guy Romeo, my dog E. Getting right?
It's amazing.
Fire. Thank you so much.
Fire.
Yeah, appreciate you, my guy.